Alright, I'm going to show you the new built-in checksum feature of the version 3 of the car archive file format and the installer. So we have the installer here, and when there are no files selected, it's just this blank UI, and these are grayed out. Now if I click a file that's not a car file, it just tells you it's not a car file, everything's still grayed out. If I click this file, it says that it's a version 2 archive, and version 2 actually doesn't support the checksum, so I put in a note saying that it doesn't have checksum, but basically you just get the check button is grayed out. Now if I click on this file, this is a version 3 which supports a checksum. I'll put that in the note too, and we get this check button. Now when I click it, you're going to temporarily see a little clock icon that you're not going to see it spin because there's not enough time, but if it took like a substantial amount of time for the check to be done, you'd see the little clock spinning, which is kind of cool. So here we go. Okay, so you saw the little clock for a second, and now we get a check which tells us that this file is validated. The embedded checksum is mapping or matching the data of the file. Now I've taken one more file which is also version 3, but I've intentionally appended 1 byte to basically break the validation. So we'll hit check, and now we get a little splat, and the buttons are disabled. So because it failed the check, we can't extract that. But of course, if we wanted to, we could just click off, click back on. We could say forget the check, hit extract, and kind of take our chances. It's pretty cool, right? So when you download software now, instead of having to manually compare a checksum, you can just hit check and get a little check mark, and then you can hit extract, and away you go. All right, thanks for watching.